Hello, who is it? It's me, Bob. Hi, Bob. Come on in. I have been waiting for you. How are you? I'm okay. I'm still a little bit sleepy. I haven't had my coffee yet. Understand. Do you want something to drink? Do you have any fresh squeezed oranges? No, I'm not orange juice. Could you have some grape juice? Grape juice? That could be great. Oh, sorry. I'll greet you too. That's too bad. Have you had breakfast yet? No, have you? No, I haven't. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Let's go out and get something to eat. Oh, okay, that's so good. My aunt has a breakfast only here. Great, let's go there. Okay, let's go.